Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to the channel. I look crusty. I literally just rolled out of bed, okay? Don't come for me. But I haven't done a video like this in probably since 2023. I haven't done a video like this. We don't have any events coming up in the next few weeks. I did want to continue posting here on the channel since I've been consistent. Ooh, that was an ugly noise. Since I've been consistent, so spend a little day with us. Spend a little regular day with us. I'm just getting over being sick as well, okay? It was a really rough beginning of the week. As I said in the last video, I did get sick after the summer school tour. It's okay, we're back in business. Oh my God, my hair is, everything's crazy right now. It's a look, it's a look. I'm actually not doing anything too crazy today. We did our like Instagram crazy location shoots yesterday. So today is more of like a stay home edit day. I have a bunch of clothes I have to post on Depop. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys around. As I said, literally just woke up. The bed is not made. The apartment's a mess. Jay made me coffee because I overslept. Let's get our day started. Let's go see what the cats are up to. Miss Salem? Hi. We're all in our jammies still. Would you look at that? Where's Mr. Louie? Hi, Mr. Louie. She has been obsessed with this box since I put it on the floor a few days ago. Now I feel bad taking it away. Oh. Hi, Raven David. Little sweet poo-poo baby. She's doing so good. For those of you wondering about a Raven update, she's doing very good. She's pretty much perfectly healthy. No glaucoma. We got her eyes checked. We're just waiting to save up money so we can get her eyelid skin graft surgery. They're gonna take skin from inside of her lips and make eyelids. You're gonna have eyelids. I'm gonna take you guys on a little nature show really quick. Good morning, Mr. Duck. How are you doing on this fine day? Oh, where'd the iguana go? Iguana is going up into the tree. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he's deep in there. Okay, it is hot as balls outside. Oh my Lord. We have adventured to my car because y'all are seeing this all in real time today. Okay, I'm trying to film everything that I can. Good, the bad, and the ugly. I've been trying to sell a lot of my clothes. Sorry, the AC is blasting, but I'm hot, and if I have to sit in my car, the AC is gonna be blasting. There's a guy gonna keep fucking staring at me. You ever seen somebody vlog in their car before? So I've been selling a lot of my clothes on Depop lately, and it's been going really, really good, except one girl, she did want express shipping, so I had her like message me on Instagram for the item so I could ship it separately to her. She just messaged me saying it's not there yet, and it was supposed to be there 2 days ago. So I just found the receipt in my car for all the tracking, and I'm gonna try to figure it out for her and send her the update. Cause I'm not a scammer, okay? If y'all buy my clothes and something goes wrong, I'm actually gonna try to help you out because that's awful. Let me sit in the car and figure this out, and then I'm gonna go upstairs and finish my coffee and start cleaning the apartment. So I did end up figuring it out for her. We did pay for the express shipping, and on the receipt it says that it should have been there Monday. It is Wednesday now. She needed it's like a pair of like kind of like rave festival shorts. She needed them by today. She wanted them by today, and I just looked it up for her, and it says that they're out for delivery today. Although we did pay for extra shipping. That's just what happens when you ship stuff. Unfortunately, you know, stuff happens in the mail, and they try to get your stuff here as quick as possible, even if you pay extra for it, and it's just kind of a gamble you have to take. I do feel really bad, but it's not my fault. It's not my fault. She literally ordered it like a few days before this thing she needed them for. But I did try to help, and I feel so bad. Not my fault, not my fault. Dang it, USPS, why are you doing me dirty? Hey y'all, so I didn't show you cleaning up the apartment because that's pretty boring. Jay wanted to go to the gym. I didn't feel like going today, so I just dropped him off, and I forgot my snack, because usually when I drop him off at the gym, I'll like eat my little lunch snack in the car, and I forgot it at home. So now I'm at the friendly neighborhood Wendy's, and I'm gonna get a little burger. Ooh, how real of me to go to Wendy's on a lovely Wednesday. Yeah, I'm excited, you guys. What is the irony in that my husband is at the gym and I'm at Wendy's waiting in line for a burger and probably little sodies. You know, we all get gains in different ways, okay? All right, y'all. Got my sodies. Got my little, I feel like Trisha Paytas right now, to be honest, and the pink G-Wagon doing a mukbang. To be honest, I feel like I'm against mukbangs because, I don't know, the amount of food, crazy, not healthy, but I feel like if you're just enjoying a little meal with like your pals on camera, there's nothing too wrong with that. I got a double stack with no pickles and cheese. This kind of looks disgusting. This looks disgusting, but I'm gonna enjoy it anyways. Double stacks remind me of my grandma, RIP grandma, God bless her. But yeah, I'm gonna take the onions off of here too. Cause me and grandma after school, she used to take me, look at that shit, only one little sliver of onion. But grandma used to take me after school in elementary school to get Wendy's sometimes. And we get like a Frosty and a burger and double stacks, and she would always yell at me for eating my burgers too fast. So love you grandma, miss you. I'm gonna enjoy this double stack for her. Wendy's definitely doesn't slap as hard as it used to, but still good every once in a while. There's like an open spot right next to me. Imagine somebody pulls up to go into the gym and they see me filming myself eating a burger in my car. All right, I have nothing to talk about, so I'm gonna see you guys when we get home. There might be a change of plans because I completely forgot that Jay told me he wanted to go and get my car washed with me today and like make it all nice for me because it's been months. It's been months since I've gotten this car washed. It's actually embarrassing. I think I've had this car for like almost a year now and I've maybe only washed it twice. That's terrible. Like, we keep the car pretty clean. Like, as you can see, there's not like stuff everywhere, but like there's dirt, there's sand, there's beach stuff, there's crumbs. So probably gonna go get the car clean. We're gonna take you guys along. I think it's like partially cloudy today, which is perfect to wash the car because it's been hot. Like, it's been deathly hot out there, but I got a little ice cold sodies too, so that should help me. Jay got his giant jug of water, so I'll let you guys know what happens. Alrighty, update. We are putting off washing the car until later today. We won't forget, I promise, but it is just way too hot right now. We need to wait until it is not the middle of the day in southern Florida to do that because it's burning outside. It's burning, but on a good note, I got a special package. I got a special package in the mail. If y'all know, you know. I believe this is the Skelanimals collab, so I have been so excited for this to come. They did tell me about a week ago that they were sending me this one to post up for you guys. So my next video will actually be the unboxing and try on haul of that collab. Yay! I love package days. I should have some stuff coming from TikTok shop soon, like some random products from TikTok shop. I'm so bad with remembering to film my TikTok shop reviews. I honestly need to get better at that, but that's the update for y'all. We're honestly probably gonna, I don't know, do some work here, relax for a little bit. Not relax, but like unwind just because it was so hot out in the drive and all that from the gym. So yeah, oh my God, these cats never stop screaming at me. Salem, hey, it is not time for dinner yet. So why are you guys swarming around the kitchen? It ain't time for it. Anyways, just a little update. It is currently, it's gonna be like 4 o'clock soon. We posted some clothes up for sale on Depop, so got that out of the way. Very proud of myself. Edited some spicy content. There's always editing and stuff to do there. And now we're probably gonna go wash the car soon, and then we're gonna come back and see if our meat for dinner is de-thawed, and if it's not, we might just order dinner from Texas Roadhouse, so. We made it to the car wash, y'all. God, am I out of breath and hot and sweaty. That was a mission. But the car is very clean now. Very, very happy. Like I said, it's been long overdue. But I didn't tell you guys before we left, like right when we were about to leave, my downstairs neighbor came banging on my door, and she needs help sending out like 500 emails apparently. They're really old and I feel bad, so I'm gonna go downstairs and help her. So if I don't see you guys for a few hours, it's because I'm downstairs helping the neighbor, so. I feel so disgusting right now. I'm finally back from my neighbors. I ate some dinner. I didn't film that because Jay was actually cooking dinner while I was down at my neighbors helping them, and then I just came up and ate really fast because I was so hungry, but it wasn't nothing special. Just some pasta and chicken from yesterday. Yeah, we have just been going all day long, I feel like, which honestly is a perfect day for vlogging because I feel like I've been able to just take you guys along and show you a lot, so it's definitely not going to be like a 5-minute vlog, so that's good. But I'm feeling gross. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna get myself ready because I do have to film some more videos and do some spicy cam girl stuff tonight, so that's always fun. Can't show you that later, unfortunately, but I'm just gonna recollect my thoughts, shower. My poor downstairs neighbors, they're like I said before, they're like this little old couple, and they have like 500 emails in this Excel spreadsheet that they need to copy and paste individually into like this website, and it's just, yeah, you know, it's hard for them to do it fast, and I got so many of them done in like 45 minutes and they were just like amazed, and I feel bad that I can't help them for longer because they need it done by midnight, but I have my own work I have to do here, doing good neighborly deeds. All right, y'all, I'm feeling so much better. I'm all clean. If you can tell, got my little pimple patches on for the night. I still have to work tonight. I still have so much to do, but we've just been chilling, taking a little break. There's probably not much more to show y'all tonight, honestly, so I'm probably gonna end this video really soon. Just fed all the babies, put them in their jammies. Lucy's scratching the carpet. Stop scratching the carpet. Yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. I will pop in after I'm done like working and I'm done with my spicy cam girl stuff for the night. I will come and say goodnight and end the vlog. It's been a pretty eventful day. I want to do another vlog when like we do more photo shoot type stuff and it's not just like an editing errand type of day. Besides that, I'm gonna go working like a dog these days, working like a dog, but it's worth it. It's worth it. You want to know why? We just figured out that we're going to Tampa Bay Comic-Con, so we just got our hotel and we're staying in a nicer hotel, and I just want to like really make a lot of money so we can have a good time while we're there. So we're gonna be working while we're there too, but you know, I want to be able to buy stuff and like have a good time and party with my friends because I know a lot of people who are going to that one. And yeah, hopefully I see some of you guys there too, but I will see you guys when I'm done working. Hello y'all. It is a new day. You can probably hear Jay cooking us dinner in the back, but I just wanted to pop on here and close out the vlog from yesterday because I was so tired when I was done working. I ended up working till like 11:30ish, so I really just wanted to eat my snacks and go to sleep. I hope you guys can understand. You didn't miss much, I promise. Today I have been working on some Dollskill Skelanimals collab stuff. I'm not gonna do an unboxing video, but I'll just show you what I got in this video anyways because that's cool and exciting. I didn't know it was just gonna be 2 bags. They're really cool bags, but I feel like it's not enough to like make a whole YouTube video out of. But let me grab them really quick. This is the fit today, by the way. A little Dollskill House of Widow fairy dress. So this is the first bag. It's like a little plush Skelanimals bag. It has a lot of room inside. And I don't know, I'm kind of obsessed. This is like the cutest thing. Probably gonna hang it on the wall as well. I always like hang my bags on the wall as decoration if I'm not using them at the moment. And then there's this one, and it's a backpack as well. I took the straps off to get pictures, but so cute. And then this little guy inside, it actually has like bag hooks, so you can use it as a bag as well. It has like storage inside of him. So how cute is that? I will link that collab down below as well. Thank you so much, Dollskill, as always. The items are adorable, just to die for. So those pictures will also be up on my Instagram in the next few days as well. I did my makeup today, by the way, with the new eyeshadow palette that comes in the Widow seasonal subscription box. So a little shout out to that as well. On that note, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, all of our links will be down below. If you're feeling kind, please subscribe, leave a like or a comment, whatever you feel like doing. I will see you guys so soon. I don't know what the next video is gonna be now since I'm not doing the unboxing anymore, but you guys will find out when I find out. I will see you guys later.